Namaskar. Welcome to this edition of News Bulletin. In the headlines today, SAIL observes Swachhta Pakhwara 2021 to spread awareness. Srujani Mela Cum Award function held at Power Distribution Department of SAIL RSP. And Ispat General Hospital of SAIL, Rourkela Steel Plant, touching lives and healing people. Now the news in detail. Steel Authority of India Limited is observing the Swachhta Pakhwara 2021 from 16th to 31st March 2021 across all its plants and units. Srimati Soma Mandal Chairman SAIL administered the Swachhta pledge to a cross-section of employees on 16th March at SAIL's headquarters at Lodi Road, New Delhi. The pledge was followed by a cleanliness drive undertaken at SAIL premises by the employees led by the top management. Various activities to promote awareness about cleanliness and health safety will be organized during the fortnight across various locations of SAIL plants and units. SAIL has been actively implementing the Swachhta initiative in its plants, units and surrounding areas since the launch of this drive a few years back. The company is committed towards Swachhta Bharat Abhiyan. A Srujani Mela Cum Award function was organized for the employees of Power Distribution Department of SAIL, Rourkela Steel Plant at RNC Lab Conference Hall on 30th March. Mr. N.K. Mohanty, CGM Electrical, was the chief guest of the program. He inaugurated the Mela and also presented the Srujani Awards and certificates to the employees. Present on the occasion were Mr. M.K. Bhaskaran, GM in charge PD, and Mr. B.K. Behra, AGM IED. Other senior officers, awardees and employees of the department were present on the occasion. In all, 149 suggestions were awarded in the function, out of which 33 have been implemented. Cash award to the tune of Rs 8,950 was distributed at the function. One-time benefit accrued from the suggestion was Rs 21.40 lakhs, while the recurring benefits amount to Rs 23.41 lakhs. The suggestions have brought about several other tangible and intangible benefits for the department. Mr. Behra briefed about the status of Srujani scheme at RSP and that of the department. More than 100 suggestions were generated in the Mela. The dignitaries presented token gifts to the employees for their suggestions. Mr. R.R. Kumar, DGM PD, welcomed the gathering and coordinated the function. Ispat General Hospital of SAIL, Rourkela Steel Plant, in association with the CSR Department of RSP, has been providing the much-needed free medical intervention to the underprivileged and poor people of the peripheral areas. The beneficiaries with serious health ailments are detected from the multidisciplinary health campus being jointly organized by IGH and CSR at different places in the peripheral villages. Mrs. Ranjita Nayak, a 28-year-old woman, is amongst the beneficiaries who underwent gallbladder operation recently under the Project Charaka of the CSR scheme. She was operated by a team of doctors comprising Dr. J.R. Sau, Mr. M.K. Panigrahi, Dr. Mrs. S. Panigrahi and Dr. M. Samantrai. The lady was discharged from the hospital on 13th March 2021 after her recovery. We are thankful to RSP for conducting the surgery free of cost, which we would not have been able to afford, said the beneficiary and a family member. Notably, the patient was identified in the health camp organized on 27 February at Manko village of Bisra block. A total of 289 patients were examined in the camp and provided free consultation with medicines. She was amongst the 60 patients identified for further treatment at IGH under various CSR schemes, namely Project Sunayana for free eye surgery, under Project Sushruti for medical intervention of people with hearing ailments, Project Charak for provision of free surgical interventions, Project Surabhi for treatment of gynecological disorders, Project Sneha for leproscopy patient, Project Akshay for treatment of TB patients, and Project Sambalamban for children with the cleft lip and palate disorder, clawfoot, hearing ailment and vision impairment. That's all for today's news. Namaskar.